tiny but mighty. The hummingbird is an amazing creature and so fun to watch. They are the tiniest of all birds, but don't let their size fool you. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards and upside down using their small saber-like wings. You can call them avian helicopters. They are the only vertebrate capable of sustained hovering. Look at this little guy, just staying in place. They are long-distance flyers and speedy too. Hummingbirds can travel from Alaska to as far south as Mexico. That's 2,700 miles. That's a long way to fly with those tiny wings. They've been clocked at 30 miles an hour, up to 45 miles an hour during a courtship dive. Now that's impressive. Hummingbirds are not only athletic, but they're super smart too. Their brain is 5% of their body weight. Compare that to me and you. That's twice the size of a human brain, which is 2% of the body's weight. Just how smart are they? Hummingbirds can remember where the best restaurants are. That's right, on their yearly journey, they remember all the flower patches and bird feeders they visited in their lifetime. Their average lifespan is about 5 years. They eat a lot. These itty-bitty birds consume about half their body weight in bugs and nectar. They eat every 10 to 15 minutes and visit 1,000 to 2,000 flowers a day. That's a big appetite for a bird that weighs between 2 and 3.8 grams. Compare that to a fourth a teaspoon of sugar or a penny. Hummingbirds are indeed the smallest birds, and they lay the smallest eggs. They're about the size of a coffee bean or a jelly bean. Now that's small. They may be small, but they are fierce. You can often see hummingbirds defending their favorite flower patch or feeder from other hummingbirds. You may even describe them as mean. Yes, mean. They are high-speed chasers and use their long, narrow beaks for more than eating. They serve as a weapon, too, reminding unwelcomed dinner guests to stay away. No best buddies here. Hummingbirds are loners. They fly solo. You see, flying in groups would make them a very easy prey. There are 325 species of hummingbirds. In Middle Tennessee, the most common type is the ruby-throated. They nest near the edge of forest and woodlands during the spring and early summer, from about May to July. In the midsummer and early fall, they venture out more. You can help out hummingbirds on their journey by planting flowers they like and maintaining a bird feeder with sugar water. You can put your feeder out in the spring and leave it out all the way to October for the stragglers slow to migrate. The color red does attract them, but no need for your sugar water to have red dye. It's actually better for the birds if it doesn't. It's easy to make 3 parts water to 1 part sugar. No boiling is necessary, and you'll want to serve it at room temperature. You'll want to change the water at least twice a week, so there's no need to fill the feeder up to the top. Hummingbirds are most likely to hover around the feeder in the mornings and evenings. Hang your feeder up outside and sit back and watch the show. You can find more videos on my YouTube channel. I hope you'll subscribe.